आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let's start this question. This question says a differentiable function f is satisfying the relation f on x plus y equals fx plus fy plus 2 times xy times x plus y minus 1/3 for all x and y belong to real number, and limit h going to 0 of 3fh minus 1 upon 6h that is equal to 2/3. Then the value of box of f2 is we need to find out. So first let's put x to be equal to 0 to be y. Then the equation that is coming up is f0 equals 2 times f0 minus 1/3. This one is 0. So this would imply that f0 is 1/3. Now let us look at this. So first let's multiply this with 2 on both sides. That is, what we are doing is 2 times limit h going to 0 of 3fh minus 1 upon 6h that is equal to 4/3. Now this 2 would go inside because it is a constant, and this would become limit h going to 0 of fh minus 1/3, just taking 3 out common here, and this 2 would make it 3h that is equal to 4/3. Now just rewriting this would be limit h going to 0. Now fh minus 1/3 is nothing but f0 upon this 3 getting cancelled out. This is nothing but h minus 0 that is equal to 4/3. Now this is nothing but f dash 0, 4/3. That is f dash 0. Now let's move forward. Now let's put y to be a constant a. Then the equation becomes f on x plus a that is equal to fx plus fa plus 2 times xa times a plus x minus 1/3. Now let's differentiate with respect to x both sides. Let's differentiate it. This would become f dash on x plus a y, because first we would differentiate with respect to x plus a, then differentiate x plus a with respect to x. That would make it 1. So this times 1 is nothing but it. This becomes f dash x. This is 0. This one is also going to be 0. Now we would differentiate this with respect to the product rule of uv, that is, this would be considered as u and this factor would be considered as v. Differentiation of u is nothing but 2a, and differentiation of this with respect to x is 1, so that would be 2xa. So that is this equation. Now let's put, because here x is the variable and a is an just arbitrary constant, so what can happen is just we can put x to be minus a. Then if we do that, this equation becomes f dash 0 that is equal to f dash minus a. Now x was here to be minus a, so this is going to be 0, and this is minus 2a square. So now just shifting this here makes 2 times of minus a whole square plus f dash 0. F dash 0 is 4/3, that is equal to f dash minus a. Now because a here was an arbitrary constant taken, so now a can also be treated as a variable because it was just randomly selected. So this would make it as 2y square plus 4/3 that is equal to f dash y, just replacing minus a with respect to y. Then this is becoming, now integrate with respect to y both sides. This is going to become 2/3 of y cube plus 4/3 of y plus a c, that is fy. Now just put y to be 0 both side. C turns out to be f0, that is 1/3. So finally fy is, so just finally f2 we will find out, that is 1/3 plus 8/3 plus 16/3, that is equal to 25/3. So box of 25/3 is 8. So the correct answer is 8. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।